I know you have seen bouts of groupism here in the industry for sure, right? क्योंकि like I said, आपने डिसाइड किया कि ना आप बड़े एजेंसीज के साथ जाओगे, ना आप ऐसे पॉपुलर लोग, ना आप एक पर्टिकुलर प्रोडक्शन हाउस के साथ वो 3 year 4 year कॉन्ट्रैक्ट करोगे. तो मुझे दिस इज पर्टिकुलरली फॉर पीपल who are trying to come in the industry like an outsider like you and making your space here and not belonging to any camp, like I see it. That's what it is, right? You know कि उनके साथ रहोगे, उनकी तरह फिल्में बनेंगी. Was it difficult at that time?
See that it is even now. I meet all kinds of people. There are people who come and tell me कि राजीव आपको तो यहाँ होना चाहिए था. You know, you have so much of promise, and lot of people say, and lot of people behind my back would say, must be saying, उसने वेस्ट किया अपने आप को यार. राजीव ने तो वेस्ट किया अपने आप को, वेस्ट करता है अपने आप को. He should push himself. And I hear that. वो पीछे बात नहीं कर रहे होते हैं. That comes to me also because they are well wishers. They really think यार why is this guy not pushing himself? But when I think about it, that how short-sighted my industry is. In one breath you say, what a talented guy he is, and in the next breath you say, अरे उसको पुश करना चाहिए अपने आप को. मतलब तुम चाहते हो कि मैं पैसे दे के मैं अपने आप को प्रोजेक्ट करूं. So you want me to, because you know everything is like what now. मतलब अभी आप you want to see
नेशनल क्रश बनना है.
हाँ, मतलब आप ट्रेंड चलाओ, सब कुछ बनाओ, आपको पता है सब फेक है, लेकिन अब ये पुश कर रहा है बिकॉज यू हैव नाउ pushing yourself across the mediums. So now he's pushing, so now he's good, and now we can cast him. But there are always people who come to you with projects. It may just take some time, is what I've learned. It may take some time, but there are people who come with a genuine desire to work with you and to work for a project. And for that project, they feel Raji will do justice, so we have to take Raji. And I wait for those opportunities. I do feel sometimes कि अगर मैं इस ट्रेंड में चला गया होता या अपने आप को पुश किया होता या मैंने भी वो सब चीज़ें की होती, मे बी आई वुड हैव डन अ फ्यू मोर प्रोजेक्ट्स, बट आई वुड हैव बीन अनहैप्पियर. आई वुड हैव बीन अनहैप्पियर. मेरे तुम्हारे लिए होता कि राजीव यार चलो अब राजीव ये फिल्में कर रहा है, कमर्शियल फिल्में कर रहा है, बट क्या राजीव करना चाहता था? वो नहीं करना चाहता था. सो टू टेल दोज पीपल हु थिंक यार हमें कैंप में जाना चाहिए, देयर इज अ सर्टेन वेज ऑफ गेटिंग इनटू द इंडस्ट्री, ऑल आई कैन से इज हाउ टू डील विद इट. नाउ it is, like I said, it's very difficult and it's very easy also. Difficult because there will always be well-wishers around you trying to tell you what is right and what is wrong. So much of noise is always around you. Now but you are supposed to hear only one voice, which is yours. So now you choose कि आप अपनी voice के साथ में जा सकते हो. Pick up the right things that align with your way of thinking. Pick up those things. I'm not saying आपके साथ में जो align होती चीज़ें आप वो करो, जो align नहीं होती उन्हें ये सोच के मत करो कि यार यही तरीका है. There are 100 opportunities. There are people with all kinds of stories who come. Look at Nawaz from where he came. There are everyone. Rajkumar Rao is there. You know, I mean everyone for that matter. Vikrant Massey हो गया. You know, everyone has a story. Everyone who's come from outside हो गया. Shah Rukh Khan has a story. I mean everyone. I'm saying not just that. Everyone will also, people from the industry will also have a story who have given something back. चाहे वो ऋतिक हो, चाहे वो फरहान हो, चाहे वो आमिर हो, चाहे सलमान हो, चाहे शाहरुख हो, all those people who have contributed to the industry will have their story of how they maneuvered their way through the industry.
Correct.
They were not following what is just right. Everyone has their own way of, you know, reaching somewhere. My model, if you look at it, you will always understand. Rajiv ne never saw a medium as the strength. I saw me as a strength.
जी बिल्कुल.
चाहे वो टीवी हो, चाहे वो OTT हो, चाहे वो फिल्म हो, I need to be the strength. If the medium becomes stronger than me, then I would be a slave to that medium. अगर मैं सिर्फ फिल्मों में ही चलता हूँ तो मैं इतना काबिल नहीं हूँ कि मैं टीवी पे भी चल जाऊँ. तो अगर लेकिन मैं स्ट्रॉन्ग हूँ, if I feel that कि I am the strength, then I should work across all mediums. People need to like me, even if I'm doing a stage performance, or if I'm doing a television, if I'm doing film, if I'm worthy of the love that I'm getting. But what is मैं सोचता हूँ, what is the point of just getting love on films and not getting any love while you're doing TV or OTT? कहाँ जाता है वो? अरे यार आप भी तो प्यार करते थे, आपकी फिल्म देखने के लिए आए थे, अब क्यों नहीं आए आपको देखने के लिए?
एक्टर तो हर जगह हो, वही हो
होना चाहिए. That's what I look. So there are different models. You pick up what model you want to be.
Were there actors that you were inspired by?
I was inspired by many actors. I was inspired by Hrithik Ho. I was inspired by Shah Rukh Khan. I was inspired by Mr. Bachchan's stories that you had heard of. I was inspired by so many of them, yaar. I mean, and you still hear such inspiring stories. Ayushmann कहाँ से आया था, you know, like he was when he had come.
RJ.
Yeah, RJ था वो नर्वी बेचारा था. I remember doing an interview with him. And then you picked up your strength and then you shine on.
Yeah.
You know, there are people, and it's such wonderful when I see so many wonderful actors from चाहे वो विक्रांत हो, चाहे वो राज हो, Rajkumar and me. I mean, it's so nice to see this guy who made a space for himself, who really worked on his craft and said, this is my space and I'm going to master this space.
I'm going to kill it once I get the opportunity.
Nawazuddin, I mean, Nawaz was my trainer in Amir. I used to get cigarettes for him because he couldn't afford to afford cigarettes. And now Nawaz, eventually when he got an opportunity, he shined.
A lot of people know he trained you in Amir, didn't he?
He did.
Fantastic. What an actor.
Yeah.
But अब मुझे एक चीज़ बोलना है. Do you know जब भी सुजल used to come or there used to be a romantic moment between you and Amna, ऐसे ना particular ऐसे background music होती थी आपकी entry पे. Do you remember that music? I want you to do it.
No. I remember that music. Yeah.
One I think with you it was hey something like that. जब आपकी solo entry होती थी.
Solo entry एक अलग music था वो मुझे याद मतलब सुनूंगा तो मुझे मालूम होगा.
Correct. But you know what I'm saying, ना?
Yeah, there was.
But it was that.
उस टाइम पे ट्रेंड बना था. We were probably not we. These series were the series which set that trend, and then it went on for some time. तो वो आपकी entry पे वो background score होता था. Then with Sujal there was this black polo neck that.
Correct.
Yeah, that stuck with him. Yeah.
So why are we talking about that?
Why are we talking?
बहुत खबरें हैं. मुझे पता है आपने कहा था आप टेलीविजन नहीं करोगे, लेकिन the internet has been abuzz saying that कहीं तो होगा. 2 is coming season.
नहीं ऐसा सब बकवास है ये सब.
आमना और आप वापस आने वाले.
मैं और आमना आए हैं साथ में. We have just done a commercial, एक ad film थी. But we totally knew that the moment people will hear Rajiv and Amna, they will start contemplating कि अब तो कुछ series करेंगे या कुछ और करेंगे या film करेंगे या project करेंगे OTT पे. But that was the whole idea also, I think, by the ad makers ki let's cast Rajiv and Amna, and there's a lot of traction that I had got because we came after 22 years together. मैं टीवी नहीं करूँगा, मैंने कभी नहीं कहा. मैं डेली सोप नहीं करूँगा, मैंने हमेशा कहा है और बरकरार रहा हूँ मैं 2002 से लेके अब तक कि मैं डेली सोप नहीं करूँगा. मेरी फाइट ही वो थी. और अगर मेरी फाइट में they are not giving up, I am also not giving up. बॉस मैं नहीं करूँगा, तुम कितना भी कर लो. Do I want to do television for television audience, but they don't give me shorter formats.
रियलिटी शो जैसे हम बात कर रहे थे, हर साल आपको बिग बॉस के लिए कभी ना कहीं
बिग बॉस, खतरों के खिलाड़ी, एवरी रियलिटी शो दे रीच आउट टू मी. एंड आई रिमेंबर 2005 में जब रियलिटी शो आए थे, मैंने एक बड़ी स्टेटमेंट दी थी, आई विल नेवर एवर पार्टिसिपेट इन रियलिटी शोज़. 2005 था, 2025 हो गया है. तुम कितना भी पैसे दे दो. मैंने आई गॉन ऑन रिकॉर्ड एंड सेड मैं किराने की दुकान खोल लूँगा लेकिन मैं रियलिटी शो में पार्टिसिपेट नहीं करूँगा. नॉट बिकॉज आई लुक डाउन अपॉन देम, बिकॉज आई एम नॉट मेड फॉर देम. समझते नहीं हो तुम लोग यार.
That it be so uncomfortable that there be camera on you 24/7.
या मैं मुझे इंटरनेट सोशल मीडिया पे जाने में हिचकिचाहट होती है. तो मैं
How are you dealing with that? With social media? How is your relationship with social media?
It's like what do I say, love-hate relationship. Love because I am told that each time you do something, there are a lot of people. I don't read comments and all, but there are people around you who will read and say भैया अच्छे comments आते हैं आपके पास. मैंने कहा मुझे अच्छे भी नहीं पढ़ने हैं, बुरे भी नहीं पढ़ने हैं, पढ़ता नहीं हूँ. लेकिन हर 3 महीने के बाद में वो प्रेशर बिल्डअप शुरू होता है. रोज़ नर्वसनेस शुरू होती है. अब डालनी पड़ेगी कोई पोस्ट, अब डालनी पड़ेगी. तो मैं समटाइम्स आई पिक अप हॉलीडेज सो दैट आई हैव अ रीजन टू पुट अप अ पिक्चर.
You take good pics. You take good pics. So this ones I saw on your Instagram.
मंजरी takes a picture of mine.
वो भी मैं नहीं ले.
ना, and then she will only buy shortlist की ये डाल दे. मैंने कहा तू बता दे मुझे अच्छी कौन सी लग रही है. It's as simple as that, as basic as that. It's not like a team. Like a lot of people have this thing कि team होगी, team अभी करती होगी. कुछ नहीं मालूम है. लल्लू लोग हैं हम लोग. बैठते हैं वहाँ पे. अच्छा ये पिक्चर अच्छी है, ये वाली डाल दे. अच्छा ऐसे फिल्टर नहीं लगाना. मुझे फिल्टर से सख्त नफरत है. कोई फिल्टर नहीं चाहिए मुझे. मैं जैसा हूँ वैसे दिखना चाहिए. Then you put up the picture.
Okay. You know, Amna and you were, of course, fantastic on-screen pair and chemistry. But I want to know, who do you think you shared best on-screen chemistry with?
I think I have.
Chemistry is a very important part of acting.
Yeah, इसलिए मैं chemistry graduate भी हूँ.
Oh.
तब नहीं पता था मुझे कि it's all about chemistry. अब मालूम पड़ा मुझे कि it's all about chemistry. But having said that, अब तो ये situation हो गई है. By honestly speaking, I think I can generate chemistry
With anyone.
with a tree also.
With this also.
With this also. मैं I can't generate chemistry with this.
कि
मुझे सिर्फ 5 मिनट देखना है उसको, उसे मेरी आंखों में देखना है और प्यार हो जाएगा. I'm telling you. तो I think I've had wonderful chemistry with everyone because I've had wonderful co-actors. चाहे वो let's say मैंने romantic shows ही बहुत कम किए.
yeah.
तो let's say आमना हो गई, कृतिका हो गई.
But you know, I mean,
बस तो ही तो किए मैंने. नैना प्रियंका बसी हो गई जिसके साथ में मैंने लेफ्ट किया था. All of them were wonderful because they have cult following even now. And when I see sometimes scenes that come, I say how beautifully we look into each other's eyes, यार. I mean they're amazing. They're amazing people.
क्योंकि रील्स तो आते होंगे ना कभी-कभी.
हाँ आते रहते. मैं बहुत कम देखता हूँ लेकिन मेरे पास पहुँच ही जाते हैं किसी ना किसी तरह से. And I think that कि I think I'm good at romance.
I think you're fantastic at romance, both off and on screen. After I've heard that story, we spoke so much about your journey and the choices in the films that you've done, Rajiv. आपने सीखा क्या इस इंडस्ट्री से जो लोग like I said, I always think stories like this are so inspiring, जो आप अपने साथ हमेशा रखोगे और जो रिग्रेट्स भी होते हैं इस इंडस्ट्री में वो क्या है ताकि जो सुन रहे हैं the outsiders who come in and they want to be like I hope I get to make my mark here, they will probably take it back with them.
So I am one of those people who doesn't live with any regrets. So I have zero regret about anything in my life because that had to happen and that is something that gave me strength to go forward in life. So I don't live with regrets.
Fair enough.
मेरे पास है ही नहीं कोई regrets. क्या सीखा मैंने इंडस्ट्री से? That people are wonderful. We all have notions about certain places. हम सबके दिमाग में जब हम कहीं से बाहर से आते हैं या किसी नई इंडस्ट्री में जा रहे होते हैं हम सबके दिमाग में notions होते हैं कि यार यहाँ के लोग ना ऐसे होते हैं वैसे होते हैं. Let me just tell all of you, people, human beings are wonderful. आपकी नज़र होनी चाहिए. You need to meet the right kind of people and you will find right kind of people. I have always found right kind of people. चाहे वो spot boys हों, चाहे वो cameramans हों, चाहे वो technical team हो, चाहे वो dress artists हों. I have only meet people who make me feel यार कितने अच्छे इंसान होते हैं तू भी अच्छा बन. They have only inspired me to be better. I have never met anyone who's left a negative impression on me. There have been cases which have been unpleasant. But what I have learnt is many notions about this industry also were dumbfounded. वो थे ही नहीं कभी. आपको किसी ने बोल दिया आपने वो मान लिया और आप करके आगे कि यार हमारी इंडस्ट्री में तो ऐसे होता है. कुछ नहीं होता. You have to believe in yourself and I will wrap it up by saying something that I have been saying from year one of my career. To all those who want to come to this industry or any industry, believe in God, believe in luck, but most importantly, believe in yourself because that is what shows. Your belief in God, luck, Bhagwan, ये कहीं दिखता नहीं, ये दिखेगा नहीं. Your self-belief is something that will be seen and that will take you through.
Thank you so much for being who you are. Thank you for sharing and honestly, telling your story again. मुझे पता है इतना कोई इच्छा नहीं है आपको इतनी बातें करने की.
Yeah, but someone who's known my story pretty much and someone who's been a part of my life, like I keep saying, we all are earthmates, Rudrani. हम earthmates हैं. हम लोग schoolmates होते हैं, वो होते हैं. Then there are certain earthmates. Everyone sitting here is an earthmate. हम earth पे एक ही tenure में साथ में. And you are one of the earthmates, so it had to be very honest with you.
Thank you so much, and obviously we love you. We'll always cheer for you, and I know some crazy role that I'll see you next in, and you'll make me smile and also probably have intense reactions like I had with Showtime. Thank you once again.
Thanks.
ये शिद्दत से मैंने ये पॉडकास्ट मांगी थी, मुझे लगता है सफल हो गई मेरी ये शिद्दत. Thank you and thank you for being who you are.
Thanks a lot and wish you the best in life.
Thank you.